Hello guys, Najib here. So today just gonna do a simple demo on how to plot graph of R versus T of a superconductor. So we open our data in Excel and select the column of temperature and resistance, and we plot the curve. And after plotting, we try to find the value of TC0 by hovering the mouse or cursor to the point at which we think the TC0 is being. So from the curve we get 87.9 for the TC, and we copy the value for resistance of this temperature, and then we subtract the resistance of all temperature with the copied value, and then we just do it for all value. And at the temperature is lower than TC0, so we just change it to 0. And we try to plot this curve, and we will get the nice curve of a straight line at the temperature lower than TC0. Okay, now I just gonna show you how to normalize this data. So first we have to find the maximum value for the zero value of resistance. And then we just divide the resistance with the maximum value, and then we just do it for all column of the resistance. Okay, now we just plot the curve, and we will get the nice curve of R versus T temperature. It is important to normalize our data because it will be easier to differentiate and compare our data with another sample. After we finish normalize all our data, so I want to show you how we can plot it onto the KaleidaGraph software. So here I have set data number 1 and set data number 2. Both consist of R, resistance, and temperature T. So we open the Kaleida software and we just rename the column A, B, and C. Make sure that the data type is set to float, not others than that. Just copy the value of temperature for first data type and paste onto the KaleidaGraph, and do it also for the resistance value. And we scroll down until the end of the data, and we select the last column and we copy the temperature for the second data set. And we paste below the first data, and we copy the resistance for second data set, the way to paste it, we have to paste on the third column. So the first column will be the temperatures, the second one for the first data set, and the third one for the second data set, and so on. And after finish paste, we go to gallery and then we plot the graph. So after we get the graph, we have to make some adjustment on the graph. We have to rename the x-axis label and also with the y-axis label. Okay, now we have to open axis option to adjust the graph. We want to start the graph with 0, and for y-axis and for x-axis we want to start it with around 80. So this is basically how we plot the graph onto the Kaleda. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.